everyone, today I'm going to show you how to properly install these seat covers for Toyota rav4. So let's get to it. First, here we have a backrest seat cover for passenger seat. How you recognize that is for passenger seat is quite simple, thanks to this airbag tag, which has to be on the right side. The same one is with the driver's seat. The driver's seat has the airbag tag on the left side. That's how you recognize that it's the driver's seat. Okay everyone, so first of all, let's start with the driver's seat. First, you have to pull the lever and move the backrest. Okay, so in order to remove the headrest, you have to push it up slightly and then here push the button and pull it up. Okay, so now let's install the backrest seat cover. So first of all, you have to put it back here and pull it over the seat, just like this. And now you just pull it down. Be sure that you do it properly from both sides. Okay, before you put back the headrest seat cover, don't forget to adjust these two little holes, and I will show you how. First, put your fingers inside and pull it towards you. Then, push it back. And again here, 2 fingers towards you, and then push it back there. Okay, so the next step is to cut in these velcros into the hole between the backrest seat cover and the seat, just like this. And be sure that you tuck it in there properly with all parts of the velcro, just like that. Okay, so the last part here is this seat cover. Here you have 2 elastic straps with these plastic locks. So they will go inside just as before, like this. Be sure that you do it properly and you will feel the gap between. And don't forget that here on this side has to be a little black back over here. Tuck it in and pull it over the sides over here. Just like that. Okay, so now here you have 2 knitted straps that are actually attached to the seat cover. Right now you have to take them and push them underneath the seat as far as you can, because later you will need to reach them from back there. So when you are done, don't forget to pull the lever and move the seat forward. Okay, so now, as I said before, you need to reach underneath the seat and pull out these 2 knitted straps. Another thing that you need to find here are these 2 velcros over here that you need to pull towards you to get it back there. Another things are these 2 elastic straps. For these elastic straps, you will need metal hooks over here. And these hooks you can find in the headrest over here. Here you can take one. And I will show you how to install them on these elastic straps. So first, pull it through the hole, just like this. A little bit up over here. Put your fingers inside and move it over the metal hook and tight it just like this. Then you can hook it over here. Alrighty now, so here you have these two velcros which we are going to now attach them. So first of all, roll it a little bit and pull it as hard as you can towards yourself like this. Now back here you can see this velcro line over here. So now you will stick it together like this, both sides. First one here and second here, and also don't forget these little ones from the sides here and there. Okay, the next step is to attach these knitted straps to these plastic blocks. It's very simple, just like this. First one and two, and just pull and tighten it. And another one again, first over here and another one just like this, and tighten. Then you can move it just underneath the seat again. Okay, so the last part down here is pretty simple. It's about these two metal hooks. You just simply attach them underneath the seat. Just be careful that you did not attach them to any electric cables. So this first one and another one. Okay, so the last part over here is just the side of the seat. So let's tuck it in properly. Move it back there. And you can use this little yellow shovel that will help you to put it back there. Very simple, just like that. Okay, so now is the turn of a headrest cover. So first, undo the Velcro, like that, very simple. How you recognize that this is the back side is because you have here these three lines. Very simple, take the headrest and simply put it over it. Okay, so now let's install the armrest cover. First of all, you have to open the armrest box, and here's the strap that you pull over. And simply put it on. Okay, so now let's do the rear seat covers. First of all, as before, you're going to start with the headrest. Up, here, press the button, and pull it up. That's the first thing. Now, pull the lever and move the seat forward. Now, let's take the cover. See, here is the Velcro. This side. So, here, over, backrest. Now the Velcro, just simply back here, stick it together. Okay, so the next step is over here. Here you have these two straps two black straps with the Velcro. So tuck them in just as before. You need to find the gap between the backrest and the seat. Put them in properly in the way that you can reach them from the other side. Okay, and now pull the lever again. Here, undo these ends over here. And now, just simply pull up those Velcros over here. Here's one. And so, here you need to find Velcros back here. See, two of them. And now attach them over here. And release right here and reattach them with this plastic screws again. Here and here. Okay, now let's install the rest of the backrest seat covers. So first of all, you need to pull the lever over here. Then take the cover. The Velcro this time is on the right side. The Velcro and pull it over. Here. And here, this side. Okay. There. Now, don't forget to put down, see here, you have to put down the armrest, move it through, then you can move it like up again. Here is another part, there's another Velcro. This Velcro goes into the gap underneath armrest, and put it down again here. Now you can pull it up over here, and you can attach it here to the Velcro, just like this. Okay, so after you adjust these holes up here again, okay, use your fingers, pull it towards yourself, and then like there. After you do all of these, then you continue over here. So here again, you have these Velcros. As I said before, it's the same like in the front seats. You just push them into the gap as far as you can. This time you have 3 Velcros, so also this one. Same way, push it underneath and into the gap as far as you can. Okay. When you've done this, then pull the lever again, and here you have the plastic screws again. So this right up here. Now you have to find the Velcros again. One is here. They're attached here. Here is okay. Hiding over here. It is now attach it properly. So here. Yes. And the third one. Here. Now let's reattach the plastic screws again. Okay. Alrighty, so now let's install the armrest cover. It's pretty obvious which part should be up because of the hole for the cup holders. So first of all, again, undo the Velcro. Like this. Go as far as you can, so it fits to the cup holders. Now, put it up. And over here, you have a Velcro again. You will need to push it in again. This is a little bit more difficult, so try to. So now, the last part is the rear bench. So first of all, you have to push this lever through this hole and be sure that it fits well. And then, on this side, you have to tuck it in over here. Just like this. Okay, another important part are these straps. 1, 2, and here's the third one. Okay, so these straps you have to push into the gap just as before. Okay, like that. Because this time you will need to reach them from underneath the seat. Okay, so now, just as before, you will have to attach this knitted strap to this plastic lock on this strap. So first, put it over here, and now goes through here. And then simply tighten it as much as you can. Okay, so here is the same process. Just like with the seat cover over there. Here you have a hole, and through this hole you need to push the lever on the side of the seat through here. Just be sure that it's aligned with the hole for your seat belt over here. When you're done with this, in here again you have 2 straps, and these 2 straps go into the hole again. Here, 1, here. Second one, here. Like that. And then you reach it underneath the seat again. Okay, so here as before, you have this strap and this plastic lock. So here again, you pull it through the first hole, and then from above through here and tighten it up. Okay, so now let me tell you something more about these seat covers. First of all, they feel real nice when you touch them. And a very important thing is that it's easy to clean them up if you spill some water or something. And a very important thing is that they are precisely made for this Toyota rav4, so they fit absolutely perfectly. And the last thing is that the whole installation of all of the seat covers will roughly take you about 30 minutes. Okay.